Something that tends to happen is companies have fragmented solutions, right? Like we're here talking about all the different SaaS opportunities that exist. And a lot of times we say, hey, we have provider X for the UC piece, we have provider Z for the CC piece, and then we have a sales team that's using something different, right?
Right, chatbot here on the website.
Sure. And we're able to kind of bring all that together and provide transparency amongst different business units or parts of the org, which I think is really important. Like some other solutions out there that it's like, hey, we've been running 3 or 4 years with our current environment, and our UC individuals don't know when our CC individuals are on the phone, or vice versa, right?
Yeah.
Like this is something that's very surface level to us. It seems like it should be a core functionality, right? Now, being able to share data amongst those teams, I think is probably a lot more business impact, right? If I'm working with someone on the base UC side, and this is moving to a CC team or something along those lines, and I can share that data with them from previous transactions or interactions, whatever the scenario may be, and kind of do this seamlessly or add them into a conversation that I've been having with the prospect or the customer, for example, and immediately add them in, they can get kind of all the vital or high points of the conversation without having to go listen to, hours of calls. One thing that is entertaining to me is when you get on a bridge these days, right, on video call, and someone's like, hey, XYZ wasn't able to make it. Are you recording this? Like, the real situation is 99% of the time, that person's not gonna go back and watch that hour-long call, right? And doing things like having AI recaps, for example, in our Dialpad meetings, or an AI recap for a phone call can go, hey, you missed this, here's the important stuff, here's the data, where do we go from here, for example?